Hello lovely people, welcome to Akosia's tasty recipe. I hope you are all doing well. So for today's recipe, I will be making crispy fish fillet. Very delicious and then flavorful, okay? So stay tuned and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to mix the spices that I will be using for my fish. So in a bowl I added 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon ginger powder, half teaspoon lemon pepper, half teaspoon all pepper spice. Please feel free to use any spices of your choice and I know you will get a good result, okay? So once everything goes inside, go ahead and give it a quick mix and then it's ready to be used. So the next thing I'm going to do is to rub the spices on my fish fillet. Please make sure to wipe all the excess water on the fish so that the spices can stick properly. Once the fish is well coated, go ahead and cut it into any size that you prefer. The reason why I put these spices before I cut is the fish is very soft, so when you cut everything and put it in a bowl before you put the spices, you end up mashing the fish. The next thing is to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour in a bowl and then go ahead and coat all the fish. Once you coat, put it in a plate and then set it aside. So in a mixing bowl, I'm going to add a half cup of all-purpose flour, half cup cornstarch, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 cup of water. Mix everything until you have a runny consistency, and then I will be using this to coat the fish before I fry. This will make your fish very crispy. If you don't want the chili powder, you can do without it. Once the mixture is ready, go ahead and then coat the fish fillet and then take it back to the dry ingredient, that is the plain flour you used earlier, and then please heat up your oil and then deep fry. Please make sure the oil is hot before you put in the fish fillet because you wouldn't want it to be soggy but very crispy. Keep turning the fish and fry until it's golden brown. Once it's ready, go ahead and then remove it from the oil and then put it in a strainer line with a paper towel to get out the excess oil. Please repeat the same step until you're done frying all your fish. Okay, so this is the outcome of all the fish fillet. It smells so good and then it's very crispy. I really loved the outcome of this recipe. Trust me, everything was on point. Let me give you a 360 of this. Yes, looking beautiful and then it's very crispy. You can hear the sound. Okay, so thanks for watching this recipe. Please, if you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share and stay tuned for more and amazing recipes. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome to my channel. Take care. God bless you all. Bye.